Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a 07 Impreza that we are going to be changing out the exhaust on. So I'm going to be replacing it from the cat back. First of all, you're going to start off with undoing these two bolts. On this side you got a 14 on both sides, and on the other side you got two 12s. And then you're gonna have the 3 exhaust hangers if you got them to replace them. Unfortunately, this exhaust is no longer there. There's no muffler on it, it just fell off. So I'm going to be taking that out, replacing it with another muffler, and it is straight piped right here on the cat. All right, so there's the exhaust I'm switching over to. Has the muffler and straight pipe from there to there to get rid of the cat over there. So let's go ahead and install it. Got a little exhaust bulb. That's how you install the exhaust on the Impreza. Sounds a little ricey in my opinion. Catch you guys in the next video.